Hi, my name is Justin Carruthers, and I'm the lead instructor here at Tulsa Welding School. Today I'd like to go over refrigeration, how it works, what is it, and some of the tools that go along with it. Refrigeration is a crucial element to removing heat from a space we don't want it at to a space we don't really care. Most of the time that's going to be outside. There's several different applications, from your air conditioning in your house, your wine coolers, your refrigerators. It's everywhere, and we use it all the time without knowing it. Some of the tools that I use will be the refrigeration gauge. So we have our refrigeration gauge, we have our low side and our high side pressures, and what we're doing as refrigeration technicians is we are taking a pressure reading and then we are converting that into a temperature. And we have both our low side and high side, and that is the basics on what we're doing as far as reading the refrigerant levels inside your equipment. And then we'll also have several wonderful hand tools here that help you perform your job both timely and effectively. And that is the overall basic function and tools needed to complete your day-to-day task. I just finished talking about the refrigerant gauges and how we use them in the field. The next thing I'd like to discuss is my tools. These are stuff that you will be using on the day-to-day, including the pouch, if that's something you'd like to get. So I use the needle nose pliers for several different applications. Cutting wire, grabbing things that are hard to reach. There's just a lot of really great uses for needle nose pliers. Then we have our crescent wrench, so if we ever need to open or close any valves or make any adjustments on our equipment, the crescent wrench is your best friend. And then we have our wire strippers. Its job is to strip the wires back for our sensors, and everything runs off electricity, right? Well, this is how we get our wires connected to our equipment. We got our wire snips. These are a diagonal cut, so these are for hard to reach spots to cut wires, make any kind of adjustments you need. And our last but not least is our handy dandy tape measure. You never know what you might need to measure. Always great to keep on hand. Those are the basics of refrigeration and some of the tools that you will use.